Okay.
It's stinking here. No power, like I was saying.
This is a burn down?
Yeah.
Ooh wee.
So the top, I'll show you. We'll start at the top, bro.
All right.
We'll start at the top. Excuse me. I tried to clear all this that I could. All this is ground up. All demo, completely demoed out. Laundry room was a fire. It was pretty contained, but the fire department sprayed absolutely
everything
because all the blown in. They didn't want it to
keep firing.
So we've already agreed. I met with the large loss adjuster and all this coming down, top to bottom, all of it. This is a master bedroom. His and her master closet right here. That's her. His is over here. Master bath, wet room, linen room, all top to bottom. So this is a complete.
But it's a full reno.
Yeah, it's complete. Yes.
You gotta gut this.
Yes, that's right. That's right. Completely gutted out. From top to bottom.
So, all in the ceiling.
All this coming out.
Okay.
All of it coming out. So even the stuff that's still intact is still coming out. All these walls, all this.
It has to.
Yeah.
So demo everything.
Everything, excuse me.
So this probably gonna take maybe 2 40 yards.
That's what I was thinking.
We're gonna drop 2 40-yard containers here. This probably about 2 days of work.
I was thinking about 3 at the mo, but
yeah.
If the crew is sufficient enough, like sizable enough.
We have to bring a big crew in here though. That's what I'm saying. So budgeting wise, I mean, we gotta just figure out where insurance is gonna allow us to be at, because I think they like to be cheap initially.
Of course.
Did they get a private adjuster too or no?
Not yet.
They need a private adjuster, bro.
You think a PA for this already? Just go ahead and put them on the clock?
Yeah, I mean, did they give you an adjustment report to see what they're talking about?
Not just yet. It's still being processed out. He's out of town, so he's gonna come back. He's out of town for this whole week. So after next week, he's coming back, but he wanted me to throw, what I have on my end, the ESX, so he can compare everything, but he got to do his due diligence on everything.
I mean, ultimately, this is like, you got to look at this kind of like a house from the studs, because
that's what it is.
The electrical, you can't leave electrical that is already tampered and damaged. Like, I can't leave this wire here. Insurance would like to try to say, oh, reuse it, but down the line, liability-wise, if another fire comes, we stuck.
That's right.
Not insurance. You see what I'm saying? They're going to sue us.
Be redone.
Yeah, and I would fight for that. I would fight.
Thing he wanted to do. You do HVAC too?
Yep.
Okay, because he was trying to see if he could have his own people. I said, just hold off on it, because I'm pretty sure that we can
full service it, bro.
Yeah, get everything.
Because it's better if we just control all of the balls.
Exactly.
Because we can kind of run.
Exactly.
So yeah, I mean, I think up here, what's the floor plan? So it's 1 bedroom here.
2 over here.
2 more. So you got
3 up top.
Man, this is crazy, bro. So this is where the fire start, right here.
Dryer. It was the lint trap that started the fire, man. Lint trap right here for the dryer. It took on. It did its job though. The drywall did pretty good. It didn't really get crazy scorched. You don't really see a lot of structural damage. I had an engineer come through here as well, so he cleared it. He said that it's structurally sound. So we good to go on that. So we ain't gotta worry about nothing caving in on us or nothing like that.
Water heater probably all right, but I do see fire damage here.
Yeah, man. We're gonna have to take that out, get all this stuff out.
Yeah. Remove and reset.
Yes.
So, with these type of jobs, we just gotta be real thorough with our note taking.
Yeah.
Flooring wise, I would say rip it all up, because it could have water damage from the settling water.
Were you talking about the actual subfloor?
Subfloor might be straight.
No, all this flooring coming out. Everything is gutted out.
The subfloor too?
Not the sub.
Yeah, I think the subfloor okay.
Now for right here, he was saying the only thing that would be feasible is possibly the hallway and the laundry room, because that's where the fire took on most of.
Oh, taking it out.
Yeah, and replacing that part. But as far as the subfloor and other areas, if we could dry it up, this right here is what, regular?
Yeah, this is just OSB 1732, I think.
Yeah, I think that we could dry that out. Officially, but all building materials, all the building materials coming out, everything. All the assemblies is coming out. The drywall, the flooring, the texture, basically.
HVAC, I would replace it too, because with those ducts, they're insulated.
Of course.
And with the smoke and coming inside of it.
Yeah, that's what we talked. That's what I told him. I was like, because he's trying to get his own people, because they try to penny pinch and do a little here, do a little there. I said, nah, I think I got the HVAC.
We got everything, bro.
Yeah.
So I think really Where do we stand as far as timing? I mean, cause we can get a crew out here.
That's why I want to get them out here immediately, as quickly as possible.
Yeah, I'm looking at it. Ooh wee.
Yeah, this one took on a lot of water, bro. A lot of water.
Damn, I tell you one thing. This Virgin Remy sustained the fire.
And I wanna be able to give them top notch, you know what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, bro, to be very honest, this is my cousin.
Okay.
First cousin.
Okay, cool.
She's the oldest cousin out the family on my dad's side. So this top to bottom, bro.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bet. So I mean, shoot, bro, we definitely can take care of it. So from here, upstairs, I understand this a full gut.
Full gut.
If we have the floor plan, it'll be cool.
Okay.
Then I can get like the dimensions. That's why I'm saying we have the report, because it's like, there's no point us sitting up here measuring this up when they probably already did it.
They did do it.
So
they definitely did it.
If we can get that,
be ready until after he comes back. He said this whole wall right here,
yeah,
that's coming out.
that's the firewall.
Yeah, this the fire.
So that's 5/8.
Yeah. And this right here is coming out. All the insulation coming out.
Cool.
All this right here coming out. This right here, he wanted to keep intact. But I ran my infrared going down through
It's
here.
water behind here,
It's
bro.
water behind here.
For
So
sure.
I'm taking this whole thing out, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And the ceiling.
So as long as I can come in and just, how you got all this marked up,
Right.
that's how we can do it. Like you just do the documentation, the supplementing,
Right.
and I'm gonna just
And knock
put
it
the
out.
people in here to do the work.
Yeah, man. And garage, the same thing for the garage as well. It does not look like it, bro. But this whole garage is gonna have to come out. Let's see, yeah, so, this whole, you already see it's talking all over, so insulation inside of the, you know what I'm saying, the cavity, of course, of the ceiling. This whole ceiling's gotta come down. That wall has to come down right here. This whole wall has to come down right here. I've already put the panel to check on some things, and you do see signs, the power's off, you do see signs of, you know what I'm saying, you have shorting and things like that. You got bubbling and all that. Look at that, it just pulls straight out, so it wasn't even secured properly. You know what I'm saying? So this has to be reworked. The power has to be reworked. And this wall right here, like from here to here, is wet. So, you know, like maybe a 2 foot span from there. But to be honest, if I take that out,
Might as well take it all out.
That ain't gonna be no big difference. He's trying to see if he could structurally clean things and dry things out while trying to take out other stuff to save them the most money that he can. But this isn't full.
I mean, for your people purpose,
I'm getting everything.
the claim is the claim, bro. Like,
yeah.
it's gonna impact them the same way. Might as well get it all.
He said we don't have to take this wall out if it's no mold. There's gonna be mold behind it as soon as you pull them cabinets and stuff. All I gotta do is just document, take all this out. All these cabinets are coming out right here. This was the only thing that was dry. This one box, but it's coming out.
It got to, because you can't match it for cohesiveness.
All this coming out right here. The question that she had was, if she goes back with a similar floor plan for this right here, how could she make it where she don't have to have these big pillars right here? That was her only question.
These might be cosmetic. I mean, granted, we're gonna take all the ceiling out anyway.
Right,
so once we take it out, I can see if this is an LVL that's running a load or if it's cosmetics.
Right.
From the opening, it might be an LVL sitting
That's
here.
what I told her it might be right there.
Yeah, because I'm looking at it. When it spans all the way across, this is for cosmetics.
Of course.
But it might be an LVL here, and these are pillars that are actually behind here holding
it up. Right.
the weight of the
That's what I'm
LVL.
But it stops right there though.
Yeah, I see that because it's sitting on top of this wall.
Right.
It's
Oh,
sitting-
that's getting gutted out too.
Yeah. So, well, we could. Oh, you see, they got 11/7/8 floor joists right here, so we can't even hide the LVL because we'll be cutting into the joists.
Yep.
And these joists is running vertically.
So that's the reason why they probably did it in this way, right?
Correct.
Yep.
Yeah. So I mean, we could take this area out, but the post would still be there. There's no other way to do
You
it.
can go with a slimmer because it's
Yeah, we
big.
could put like this, just like this.
Right, you can slim it down.
Like a 4x4. This is like a 4x4 type of situation.
Right.
To make it nicer for her. But yeah, that's an LVL.
Okay. Whole ceiling for the whole level coming down.
Okay.
All flooring coming down. Flood cut. I told him instead of flood cutting this, like we didn't just take it at the chair rail, bro. Going all the way around for this area here. 2 foot going all the way around to over here. Over there you have a run of the water that came down, so we're gonna gut out that area there. But we'll flood cut these areas over here. I didn't see extensive water damage in the walls over here on this side. but migration, humidity, all that type of stuff like that. Once I pull that and it's going up further, just take up, take up all of it.
Cool.
So that's what we're looking at, bro. That's what I'm saying. This one is like a whole house, bro.
So from a, I guess, insurance perspective, tell me how do we work it? Because all the other trades and scopes I can do, right? So the demo, everything. So what do I need to do on my end to?
So finding out, okay, so it's really nothing, because you don't have to use Xactimate. You don't have to use their, their estimated system. They just have to, go according to what you say. All it is just really a basic, a negotiations between.
That's what I'm saying.
It's really not nothing special for it, but I just have to do my due diligence on making sure that we get the drying and demo and all that type of stuff down first. That's why I really wanted to come to you to see like what can we work.
Yeah.
Because your crew is way bigger than what I have.
Yeah,
See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And if I can get that thing going, I can get this dried up. Go ahead. For our process, it's gonna take at least 2 weeks.
Okay.
Because we gotta dry it out, then I gotta do my fire
Right.
remediation.
Right.
So I gotta expose everything down to the studs and encapsulate it and
Document it, meters, all that.
Bro, exactly.
Yeah. So we come out first on the demo phase, let you do that part, then we can argue with them about what's good, what's bad, and then we get a final. Okay, cool.
Right.
Okay.
So most times when it comes to the adjusters, bro, when you ask them, hey, the homeowner can ask for absolutely anything. So like you were saying, the breakdown, the schematics, you see what I'm saying? Like I'm talking about line items for every linear and square foot. They have all of that stuff already gonna be comprised. They're gonna want you to put it together yourself, but you can definitely ask for them. So I can make sure that I get all this stuff for you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have I have a layout as well.
Cool.
But what I don't have is the attic.
Yeah.
So that's one thing that I got.
We need insulation.
Exactly.
We got to reinsulate. That's high.
You got to, exactly.
The bat is high.
And then you've seen the different peaks and all that, so I got to make sure that
the correct square footage.
Yeah, exactly, bro. Exactly.
Cool. Well, that works, man. I think realistically, demo, we probably gonna be at about 1,000 on them 240 yards because the weight and the transport. Crew wise, something like this is like between 4 and 5 to get it done. Probably within 2-3 days. Our budget between 4,000 and 5,000 realistically, bro.
Okay.
And like I said, we just gonna have 1,000 in actual dumpsters.
Of course.
Can take a little longer and do a smaller crew to save, but I don't know, what make more sense to you, timing or the money?
A little bit of both, bro. A little bit of both.
What you think they're gonna give you to do it?
To be totally honest, well, this what usually happens. Usually, well, I ain't even gonna say usually. It's always up front.
Yeah.
That's an upfront thing.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
So, but I can make it back on the back end. I can definitely make that on the back end.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But up front, I gotta make sure I get all this stuff done. So that won't be a problem. Whatever you would think,
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying? I could always allot for that.
Okay.
Actually, you get more for 40-yard dumpsters. I think you get about 900
per dumpster.
75.
Yeah.
Almost 1,000 for one.
That's what I'm telling you.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
So we get two,
I definitely think we need 2, but I could start with 1 and just see if you want me to, and then we send another one the next day. Like if we start off in the morning and it's looking like it's gonna move fast, and we'll call for another one.
Well, today I'm going to get started on. I'm gonna start on this lower half today. So I do have my small little crew. We got like three that we gonna get going today. We can do a lot of this on this main, but this the upstairs area. We gotta do full tearing.
Are we gonna be ready for tomorrow?
We'll be ready.
If I can send some people out here?
Bro, we'll be ready for tomorrow. We'll be ready. 100%.
All right.
Ready 100%.
So I'm going to send my people. Let me see. Cool. Let me take some pictures of upstairs too. Call my guys.